guys! Welcome back to Playtime Creative Time! And we're gonna be drawing together.
In this video, we're gonna draw an octopus. First, draw big two circles as the eyes and connect them with a big curve for the head. Now let's make the eyes sparkly. Draw two circles, one bigger and one smaller, and the pupils like this, also circles. Now let's draw the mantle like this, and now draw a oval but a little bit like crescent, and then another small oval. It will make the octopus look shiny. Now let's continue with the appendages, or you can call it as arm. Most people call it as tentacles, but actually they are not tentacles. Now we're gonna draw 8 of them, just a long one. You don't need to be perfect when drawing them. It's okay. We are still learning how to draw. Now we have 5 of them. We need 3 more. Draw one more at the back on the left, and then on the right just appear like a small one, and the last one is this one. Okay, I'm gonna fix this part and done. Now don't forget the sucker. Just make it a little bump, little curve along the arms or appendages, just like this. Do it for 8 all of them. And the last touch is a little lips, smiley mouth like this, just a little curve. It's done. Now let's color. Oh, look at those sparkly eyes. Now let's color the body purple. I'm using the darker shade of purple that I have because I want to make it gradient. So color along the border, and at the back I'm just gonna use the same color as the gradient but little bit pressure, just like this. And for the gradient color, I'm using lighter purple shades like this. And the last, oh, don't forget the lips, the red lips. And the last, we're gonna color all the sucker, the bump, little bumps, light pink. Now it's done. What a little cute octopus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.